Hello, my name is Ian Cowie and I am founder of Point of Care Testing Limited. Today I would like to talk to you about the company and Bannerman Technology, who have helped us to achieve many of our growth objectives. I'm sorry that I'm not going to be able to be with you today, but I hope that this short presentation will give you an indication of what we do and our relationship with Bannerman Technology. Okay, I'd like to tell you basically something about point of care testing as a term. It is a generic term. It's like Hoover, which is a generic term for a vacuum cleaner. Point of care testing is used in the medical profession. It's used in hospitals, GP surgeries, pharmacies will understand what it means. And it means doing testing beside the patient, usually blood testing, and where the results are actually rapid. And that's what's very, very important about point of care testing. Examples of such devices that you'll have seen are glucose meters for diabetics. That can be described as point of care testing. And there are a variety of devices which I want to allude to and show you in a few moments. I'd now like to just show you one or two of the instruments that we've actually acquired over the last 10 years. The company, which was formed in 2002, has steadily expanded through additional new technology. Now this particular device is manufactured by Abbott Laboratories. It's the iStat, and it is actually portable and can carry out blood gases, urea, electrolytes, SATs, etc. beside the patient. So a very important analyzer for our company. We also have other systems. We do readers for urinalysis strips, such as these, which you've probably all seen in your doctor's surgery. And these devices actually read the colour codes on the strips and would star an abnormal result so it is readily seen and not missed. Other devices that we have, from Micropoint, the immunometer. This will actually help to detect deep vein thrombosis through a very simple blood test. Other products that we have are a Hemocult bowel cancer screening test. We supply these both professionally and to the public as the National Independent Bowel Cancer Screening Programme. And another very important analyzer that we have is the Piccolo, which will do a whole raft of tests within 12 minutes. Originally developed for use in the space shuttle by NASA, so that astronauts could actually determine the effects of weightlessness on various body organs. So these are just some of the analyzers that we actually supply throughout the UK and Ireland. Point of Care Testing Limited has continually grown, almost 50% growth year on year, and has been really a successful company within Scotland. It supplies the whole of the UK with these products and has been working very closely with Bannerman Technology in developing websites to promote its products, to help us on an e-commerce site to sell the bowel cancer screening test, and this enables people to easily acquire tests which sometimes are not so easily found in the local pharmacist. Now, our relationship with Bannerman Technology began over 7 years ago. We had added new product to our range of Hemocult, which is in fact the gold standard for bowel cancer screening on a global basis. We set up a laboratory service to actually carry out screening for patients who did not fall into the category within the NHS screening programmes. And in order to set up a laboratory service, to ensure that results were kept anonymous, Bannerman helped us to develop a website that we could actually use for obtaining the orders, for producing the results, and for sending out letters to customers. This has been used over the past 7 years very, very successfully. Over subsequent years, we've taken further business projects with Bannerman as we've continued to grow. And one of the more recent ones, we've developed a new site for the diagnostics industry. We have got poct.co.uk, which is our main website, which is full of valuable information. It's often referred to by the manufacturers of the products that we supply as easy to use, easy to find information, and they will recommend that customers in other countries look for this information on the POCT website. We've also got a new retail focus site called yourgoodhealthathome.com, which is for the general public. And in this we're also selling the bowel cancer screening tests, we're selling allergy screening products, and alcohol meters as well, which you can purchase and take to France if you go out on your holidays there. We're continually adding products to this site that the general public can actually acquire easily in the UK. As our planned growth started to accelerate, it became clear that the company needed to develop a management platform to facilitate this growth, but also to manage the overhead of the company. I wanted our team to be sales and customer service focused, rather than snowed under with administrative tasks. And we're developing, and continually developing, a fully bespoke company management software. I believe the terminology for this is an ERP, which manages all parts of the business processes. Our teams have been involved in the development, so it exactly matched our requirements. Bannerman have worked very, very closely with our sales director and other management staff within POCT, and the site is evolving and carrying out exactly what we want to do. The platform itself is very much sales focused, with each member of staff having a different dashboard depending on their role within POCT. And the system includes many things. I need to read this because I don't want to forget some of it, because they're all very, very important. We've got sales quotations, sales forecasting, sales reporting and analysis, customer management, stock control with barcoding systems and tracking, drop shipping, HR and staff management system. It will manage our expenses, salespeople's expenses, so that they can be monitored. We're setting up a customer support system with a ticketing process so that we can log all the processes that are going through with customer support, complaints, queries, questions. It also includes customer service management and software updates. And this is very important for the equipment that we supply. The manufacturers regularly increase the software to the different analyzers, and we need to make sure that all users are updated efficiently. We've got product management with differential pricing for the customers. We've got the Sage data, Sage accounting system, there's integration of this process. Credit card and virtual terminal facilities. Document creation and management systems. ISO processes, internal notes, tasks and messaging systems, laboratory management, and even asset tracking. I'm sure I've probably forgotten to put something in my list, but it is a fully functioning system that we can now no longer do without. The administration system even directly manages all the websites, SEO, e-commerce products and payments. Now, our time with Bannerman has worked out extremely well, and we're delighted with the software assets that we've developed with them and now own. Bannerman have been integral to our growth. It's an integral part of our company, and we even invite Bannerman staff to our Christmas party. Thank you for your time.